we're here whistling. That's so cute. You like that, Nabi? Oh, that's fun, huh? He loves taking a bathroom sink with the faucet running. He loves it. Of course, I gotta sterilize the thing now. They all had showers yesterday, but he loves doing this. Oh, that's so cute. Is that good, buddy? Get my finger on there, make sure it's not getting too hot or too cold. Ooh, that's good, huh? Are you all done? You're getting me all wet. I'm going to have to change my clothes before you. I feel the birds now. I'd have to wash up and change my clothes anyway, so not a big deal. But I got to change my clothes because it's getting me all wet. Isn't that adorable? Okay, bud, we got to get busy cleaning here. Okay, okay, yeah, you're all done. You're all done. Come here, come here. Oh my, soaking up bird.